Welcome to the cutting edge of performance with the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, a game changer in the realm of computer memory. This 64GB kit, composed of two 32GB modules, operates at a blistering 6000 MHz, ensuring that your system runs at peak efficiency. Optimized for Intel motherboards, this DDR5 memory pushes the limits of your system like never before, offering faster frequencies, greater capacities, and superior CPU processing power. One of the standout features of the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 is its dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting. Each module is equipped with 10 individually addressable, ultra-bright RGB LEDs. Encased in a panoramic light bar, these LEDs provide vivid lighting from any viewing angle, making your rig not only perform excellently but look stunning as well. The onboard voltage regulation sets this memory apart from previous generations, enabling easier, more finely tuned, and stable overclocking through CORSAIR's ICE software. This feature eliminates the need for motherboard control, offering a user-friendly experience for those looking to push their system's performance to the next level. Customization is a breeze with CORSAIR's custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles. Through ICE, you can tailor performance profiles for different applications or tasks, ensuring your system runs efficiently no matter what you're doing. Additionally, the ICE software allows you to create and customize your own lighting profiles, choosing from dozens of presets or designing your own unique setup. The CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 is not just about looks and speed, it's built for reliability and stability. The tightly screened high-frequency memory chips enable faster processing, rendering, and buffering. The custom PCB provides superb signal quality, ensuring high performance and stability on the latest Intel DDR5 motherboards. In summary, the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM offers unparalleled performance with mesmerizing RGB lighting. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone looking to boost their system's performance, this memory kit delivers in every aspect. Experience the future of computing with CORSAIR's latest innovation and light up your PC like never before. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.